Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a line design owl. Now, there's lots of different ways to make an owl, and I'm just going to show you a basic way on how to make a simple one. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to start with two circles here for the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a circle shape here. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to draw another circle shape right here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw another circle at the top. So I have a big circle and like a medium circle. And then I'm going to add a smaller circle inside of here. So I have big, medium, and small. Then I just want to color in this medium circle. So I have a nice pupil with a little white reflection inside of there. Next, what I want to do is I want to draw the beak. So to draw the beak, I'm going to start up here by the eye, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come back up to here. Then I'm going to draw a little sad face for the beak. Next, starting here by the eye, you're going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come back up here by the beak. Then do the same thing over here, just curve down and come right back up here by the beak. The next step is starting here, we're going to make a big sad face that goes from one side to the next. So I'm going to make a big line that goes from here to here. Then I want to draw the wings. To do this, we'll keep it simple. I'm going to make a line that just goes down and then it's going to curve out just a bit. I'll do the same thing here. It's going to go down and then it's going to come out just a bit. I'm going to take this line, I'm going to draw it up. Then I'm going to go down and up again. You just go down and up, and you repeat this all the way to the top so it looks like it has feathers. Then I want to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up. Then I'm going to go down and up again. Down and up, down and up, down and up. And you're just going to continue this all the way to the top. Next, right between the wings, we're going to make the body. It's very simple. You just want to make a big smiley face shape that goes from one side of the wings to the next. And then we'll make the feet. Now, to draw the feet, all you have to do is draw a line that goes down and up, down and up, down and up. So it's like 3 little bumps. And I'll do that same thing over here for the other foot. Now, here's just a basic, simple drawing of an owl, but there's a lot more we can add to it if you want to add extra details. One of the things I like to add is I like to put some eyebrows right above my owl, just by adding these 2 curved lines right above here. I'm also going to add some of those kind of big feathers by the head so it looks like it has ears. So I'm going to draw one that goes up and then curves down, and then another one here. You don't have to do that, but this is just a way to kind of help it make it look a little bit more like a different type of owl. Now, once you have your owl, then you can go ahead and you can add some different details and stuff on there. And one of the details that I want to add is I want to do lots of different lines. Now, lines come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So I want to show you guys some different lines you could add on here. And I'm going to fill in some of the bigger areas with lots of different details. So lines can be all sorts of different things. They can be wavy, like this. Lines can be zigzag. Do the same thing on this side. Lines can just curve across. They can go up and down. Lines can do things like they can be turned into shapes like polka dots and different things. Circles, triangles, whatever you want to do. Lines can be broken. They can have space in between each one. Lines can do all sorts of different things. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fill up your owl with all sorts of different types of lines. You can do all sorts of different things, whatever you want to do, just to be creative and make an interesting owl using lots of different line shapes. You can also add extra little details inside of here to kind of create patterns and different things. Whatever you want to do. And I'm not going to fill in every single part of my owl. I'm just going to put these in a few different spots. So now the next step, once we're all done with our lines, is we want to color this. Now you can use anything you want to color. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, paint, whatever you have. Now when I color this, I'm going to use at least 2 different colors in each one of these sections just to make some sorts of patterns and different designs that will really stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and start coloring this.